Will AI destroy live in-person experiences? Here's the truth. For me, no. AI will not destroy the live in-person experiences. But AI can completely ruin live in-person experiences, because live in-person experiences are built on something AI cannot manufacture. That is presence, emotion, human attention. And attention is becoming the most luxurious asset on earth. So today, I'll give you a practical way to think about AI across the whole world of live in-person experiences. So about events, but also theme parks, visitor attraction, museum, stadium, exhibition, festival, and any place where the people gather together inside of a venue. No hype, no AI theater. Just a clear framework you can use immediately. The AI trap everyone is falling into. For me, it's very simple. Right now, AI has become a language. Boards want AI. Investors want it. Clients ask for it. Everyone wants to see AI in their strategy deck. And yes, there are huge forecasts and opportunity about the AI economic impact. But there is a problem. Big forecasts create a lot of pressure, and pressure creates shortcuts. That's human. That is why we are seeing two dangerous behaviors. The first one is AI everywhere in the marketing, and the second one is AI nowhere in real capabilities. And when those two things meet, you get a toxic mix of everything, especially in some industry like the live experience sector. Because in live experience environment, trust is everything. You don't get a second chance when a guest is already there. So what I see is the biggest risk: fake AI and AI theater. Let's name it clearly: Faux automation, or better, fake AI. It happens when a company promises AIs, but behind the scenes, no AIs, just crossed up Excel technology, basic data management, and sometimes still people doing the work manually. But in front end, we are AI powered. The disaster is when AI is completely fake, where humans try to keep it and the promise is gone. And just to make it clear, this is not only a tech problem. This is an ethical problem. It's a quality problem. It's a scaling problem. And in live experiences, it's a reputational problem. Because a guest, when he's inside a theme park, a museum, a stadium, an event, doesn't care about your roadmap. They care about what happened now, in real time, in front of their eyes. So for me, rule number one: don't do AI theater. Don't sell magic you cannot deliver, and don't fake it backstage. Now, let's move on when AI is real. These are another element that can create mistakes, the one that kills value. And I don't know how to say, but they are so common and visible. So this is why I believe it's fundamental to have a clear framework on how AI can be used in any live experiences. So for me, there are three ways to use AI. Only one today is not enough. And we will deep dive in three different lenses that I call automation, augmentation, and reconfiguration. Lens number 1, automation. So replacing a human with AI. Lens number 2, augmentation or complementarities. Human plus machine working together. Human stay in control, AI enhance capabilities. Lens number 3, reconfiguration. AI allows you to redesign the service itself, not just to do the same thing faster, but create a different experience, a better one. Usually, most organizations get stuck in lens 1, automation. They ask, what can we automate? And yes, automation matters a lot, but if automation become your whole strategy, you have two big risks. First, you automate tasks that were poorly designed to begin with. So you don't improve the experience, you just accelerate inefficiency. Second, you create a colder experience. And we know that in live in-person experiences, we cannot afford cold. Let me make it tangible with a simple analogy. Imagine a humanoid, a robot driving a normal car. It looks advanced, right? But it's just ridiculous because we are using high, super advanced technology to do something that a human can already do very well inside an old product design. That's automation. When it become the main story and we forgot what we can do next. Now imagine this. The human is still driving the car, but the car supports the human in everything. Safety, navigation system, awareness, presence, and assistance overall of his needs. That's augmentation, that's complementarity. And now the third level, the one that for me is much more interesting also in our industry. You can stop thinking about a car. You think about mobility as a service, a different system, a different product, a car that drives alone and the vehicle that become a new mobile office. That's reconfiguration. That's where we need to use our brain and the best of the AI. So the question is not what can we automate? The real question is where do we want to create value? And which of these three lenses serve to that value? Let's talk now about the post-digital AI approach. This is for me the principle that changes everything. In live in-person experiences, AI should become backstage, not on stage at all. Because the stage is human. This is why I like to call it a post-digital approach, a post-AI approach. And this post doesn't mean anti-digital or anti-AI. No, not at all. It means technology is not the hero. Technology is the invisible infrastructure that protects the experience. Luxury brands already understood this. They use extraordinary technology, but you don't feel it. They don't scream at you. You feel grace, ease, attention to detail. You feel the soul of the experience. And live experiences have to move in this same direction. Because when the world becomes more digital, it's the physical one that becomes the rare experience. And when it's rare, it becomes premium. So, will AI destroy live in-person experiences? No. But if we use AI in the wrong way, we risk to destroy it for sure. And because they will create more friction, more destruction, less meaning, and less humanity. That's how AI can destroy the live experience industry. Now, I'll give you a practical framework. 5 principles for AI in live experiences. You can apply this whenever you run a theme park, a museum, a stadium, an attraction, a venue, an exhibition, trade fair, festival, anything that has the human at the center. Principle number 1. Use AI to remove friction, not to replace presence. AI should clear the path. Humans should walk the path. So where does AI belong? For example, before the visit, predicting peak times, optimizing staffing, design flow and wayfinding, reducing uncertainty, improving planning and capability decision. Or maybe during the experience, AI can be a real-time operational support. So queue prediction and dynamic routing, incident detection and faster response, empowering frontline team with better information, even after the experience with the insight generation, personalization for the next time, smarter loyalty and membership journey. Both the goal is not reduce human. The goal is to reduce pain, because friction is the enemy of presence. Principle number 2. AI should be invisible. Your guests should not feel like they are inside a dashboard. They came for a moment to enjoy the now. So AI should be the infrastructure, not the interface. Yes, use dashboard backstage. Use prediction backstage. Use intelligence backstage. But don't overwhelm guests with endless notification, complex app, and crazy journey inside digital with too many screens, too many required steps. If everything AI interaction require a device, you are pulling people out of their moment, out of that experience. Remember this, every time someone looks down at their phone, you lose a little bit of magic. Principle number 3, augmented human judgment. But let human decide. AI is great in suggestions. Yes, humans are great at meaning. So use AI to support your people in guest services, help frontline staff, operation, security, all of this. Starting also from education and guide your team, not your guest. Help everything related to how to make a better food and beverage experience. Give human a better situation in terms of awareness. But don't turn your guest into puppets of a recommendation engine and an AI suggestion. For example, AI can suggest itineraries or fast path, but guests must choose what matters to them, because the real value is not the algorithm. The real value is that human experience in that moment. Principle number 4, design for meaning. Efficiency came second. Live experiences are not factories. They are meaning machines. So don't optimize only for efficiency. No, optimize for emotion, memories, sense of belonging, and transformations. Here's a tangible example. We all know the phone problem. People attend incredible moments and they watch them through their phone. So ask yourself, how could AI replace this device obsession without reducing memories? For example, one approach is that a guest enter inside of attraction, inside of a venue, a concert, an event, take one picture, one single photo, and then they pull the phone away. There is an AI operator system that using professional camera and with human experience to capture and create personalized recap after the event for that guest, that person. Highlights, photos, his photos, story ready to clips, micro videos ready for social. That's the true luxury, because the luxury is being fully present and still living the event, the experience with beautiful memories. AI didn't replace the moment. The screen is not always in front of you. AI protect that moment. And we arrive to principle number 5. Treat attention as a luxury asset. Again and again, AI can help on protect it. Attention is not something you want to squeeze. Attention is something you want to protect and make it wow. And for me, in the next decade, this is the most valuable in-person experience element. It will be how we will be able to respect people's attention. So don't use AI to spam. Don't use AI to overload. Don't use AI to monetize attention. Instead, use AIs to reduce noise. Use AI to reduce irrelevant contents. Use AI to reduce interruption. Use AI to make every message feel timely and necessary. Because when you protect attention, you create something really rare. And when it's rare, it became luxury. That's why our sector is already in the luxury industry. Now, the operational truth. AI evolve too fast. So you will be never try to write a perfect 3 to 5 years AI transformation plan. You will fail. Instead, start with ambition. Example of ambition, we want our guest journey to feel effortless. We want to protect attention. We want to reduce friction and increase meaning. We want our experience to feel premium, not digital. Experiment now with what exists now. Pick low-risk scenarios, backstage planning, operational design support, queuing prediction, staff augmentation, content workflows. That's not distract guests. Validate what works. And when it works, scale fast. That's how, for me, you should move from AI hype to AI maturity. So for me, live experiences can become even more human, personalized, in person, with the AI support. And in a world that is going on fake news, fake experiences, the real one, the live in-person experiences, would be somehow even more important and valuable in the future. Because when everything is digital, the physical one become the most important. But AI used badly is a disaster. It increases friction. It steals attention. It replaces presence. It makes the experience colder. So here's the rule I want you to remember. AI clear the path. Humans walk it. If you like these videos, share it to someone that maybe can be interested and follow the channel. Every week there's something new about live in-person experiences.